Hello students and welcome to my channel Quick English Tutorials. Today's tutorial is on vocabulary words learning. You will learn 1. Vocabulary words and their meaning, and 2. How to use these words in sentences. This will help you for any competitive entrance exams. Our first word is affluence, which means wealthy or lots of money. For example, in this current crisis, many people of affluence became poor. The word betray, which means to be disloyal. For example, he was betrayed even though he trusted them. The word callous, meaning having disregard for others. For example, robbing somebody else's thing is a callous act. The word deft, which means skillful. For example, the movement of this soldier was deft and quick. The word engrossed, meaning giving complete attention. For example, we were so engrossed studying that we did not hear the exam bell. The word fragile, meaning can easily break or get damaged. For example, be careful, the glass mirror is very fragile. The word hazardous, meaning risky or dangerous. For example, don't play with firecrackers, they are hazardous to health. The word incredible, meaning extraordinary or impossible to believe. For example, the sound from the jet plane was incredible. The word justify, meaning to prove to be right or reasonable. Example, the man had to justify himself in court. The word knowledge, meaning information or awareness. For example, reading gives you knowledge about different things. The word lucrative, meaning gainful or money-making. For example, becoming a cricketer can be a very lucrative career. The word monotonous, meaning dull or repetitive. For example, he quit his job because it was monotonous. The word obligation, meaning duty or a commitment. For example, you should fulfill the obligation you make. The word potential, meaning having a possibility or capacity. For example, we all have the potential to become successful human beings. The word recommend, which means suggest. For example, Tim asked me to recommend him to my boss. The word sensitive, meaning quick to respond. For example, this matter is very sensitive, be careful. The word theme, which means a topic or a subject matter. For example, the theme of the play was on corruption. The word vulnerable, meaning at a risk or unprotected. For example, if you don't wear a mask, you can be vulnerable to the virus. The word witness, meaning an observer or a passerby. For example, the policeman was searching the witness every day. The word yield, meaning to produce or to provide. For example, this land used to yield good fruit. The word zealous, meaning to be passionate or dedicated. For example, the salesman was very zealous about his job. Keep watching and learning with my channel Quick English Tutorials.